Do you show up for your people? And do you show up for your commitments? It starts the first hour of every day, how you activate each morning, by doing your practices, getting centered and powering up so you can show up resourced and resourceful, strong and steady. Consistency is the self-discipline to take consistent action, step by step, task by task, getting things done at work and at home, to complete projects, to handle things, and to reach your goals. It continues with how on point you live, how you stay accountable, ways you eat, train, sleep, mastering your habits, and using your arsenal to manage yourself, your stress, responsibilities, and your life. And if we asked her whether you were consistent, what would she say? Are you present with her, with your life? Are you emotionally available and open so she can connect with you? Are you able to self-regulate and stay centered so she can share her feelings? Are you steady so she can depend on you, there for her when she needs you? Not bored by routine, but fueled by dedication and higher principles, showing up to your commitments regardless of circumstance. It's not about some idealized perfection or rigid controlled predictability. Life is dynamic and evolving. Be like Bruce Lee in the water, composed under pressure, staying centered in upheaval, resilient amidst challenge, and getting it done day in and day out. If you fall off, trust yourself to get back up, get back to it, get back on point, and pick up where you left off. In steadfast pursuit, you continue your consistency. It's not from burden or fearing mistakes, but for the love of the game, making the masterpiece of your life even more badass. Own your life. Aim high. Strive for betterment. Cultivate virtues and learn to be consistent.